how to create an AI DM coach. This custom GPT helps you respond to DMs with the goal of getting sales. So check this out. It's another beautiful day on the bay, and or actually morning. We're just getting started for the day here, but let's dive into it. So how do we create something like this? A AI DM coach that you can either upload a picture of the conversation, or you can say, here's what my lead said and how should I respond? So how do we do this? Well, while this is thinking, because apparently a lot of people are using GPT right now, we're going to create a custom GPT to help you answer back those messages. So let's say we have a warm lead, and let's say that the goal here is to get them to watch a video sales letter, so a sales asset, and let's say they said, this sounds interesting, I just don't have the time right now. Boom. Okay, so how do you handle that objection? Well, the AI DM coach is going to give you a response to send. Totally get that. Most people I talk to feel the same way. Just so I'm aligned, what's the main result you were hoping you could get with? You were hoping this could help with. And then boom, so it's going to lead them, every question that I ask them, it's going to lead them closer towards a sale. So the whole goal of this GPT, this custom GPT, is to get a sale, right? So now with that, it also gives you the psychology behind it. So we can learn how to do it, right? So it doesn't just give you a fish, teaches you how to fish. So you can understand how sales works. Now with that, there's a couple things. So here's how I'm gonna tell you how to set this up, create this for yourself. And you can also jump in the link below down in my description and just use it there for yourself and get access to this one directly here that I created. But if you want to learn how to use it, then here's how we use it. So basically, what this is here is we have instructions for the GPT to follow and make sure that it listens to the instructions and follows the attached guide that we give to it, and then we have to develop the guide. The conversation starters here, right? I had screenshot attached, and here's what my lead said, and then the Instagram DM setting guide. So here I just did web search and Canvas. We don't need image generation for this, and we don't need any code or data analysis. So it's just those two. I do have it on the latest model of GPT 5.2 because sometimes if it might need to think a little bit more, but typically it's just going to be using the instant. So I put it to 5.2 so it can do both of those things. All right, now, so that's the guts of this and how this works. And then what we'll want to do here is now we need to create a DM setting guide, right? So we have just some basic instructions for it right here, but this is the guide right here. So what I did was I used AI to create the best AI or the best DM setting guide of all time, and based on market experts and industry leaders and all that good stuff. And so here's how I did that. So I said, you are a top performing Instagram DM setter for Instagram accounts that sell and offer a product online. I need you to create a DM setting guide. Take the highest performing DM scripts, methods, examples, objection handling, and anything else that will contribute to this and make it the best in the world. So it puts this together for me: high performing scripts, frameworks, conversation flowcharts, objection handling, appointment setting, blah, 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 blah. And it goes over all of this and creates this. Now, this is great. I wanted to make sure to add into here though, the add descriptions and clarifications of what cold, warm, and hot leads are, and then create it as a PDF, nothing branded, just plain. So then it gave me this file here. So the problem is what it did was it just took the cold, warm, and hot leads and then threw that into here as a description, and then I don't know what it did here with the ultimate branding, right? So So typically GPT is not good at creating PDFs and that kind of a thing. That's more of a Claude job, right? But this info right here is world class. So what I did was I just took that info and then I added the clarifications of cold, warm, and hot leads, and then threw that into this guide here. So I added those clarifications at the top, and then boom, here's the guide right here. 10 pages, and then that is how I saved that after I did that as a Google Doc, saved that as Instagram DM setting, and boom, uploaded this in the knowledge base. So the way in which you instruct this here, this instructions are going to basically tell it to stay within the guidelines of the PDF of the knowledge base that you uploaded, and then give it, extra little commands like don't forget about rapport building, blah blah blah. When they keyword, don't use internal terminology like keyword. If they message keyword, this means it's a hot lead, right? So all these little things, and so you can talk to this DM coach just like a human too. It has those capabilities. It's not just strict input output. So we can actually, kind of test it a bit and be like, I don't know what to message this person, right? Obviously give it a super broad thing that's being like really difficult with it. And it can still go in here and say, cool, no worries. Let's get you unstuck, right? So just like a coach. Cool, what's your main goal with this person? Are you trying to book a call, send a free asset, selling a product directly? Second, do you know if this person is cold, warm, or hot? If you don't know, here's what cold, warm, and hot means. And then, so boom, helps you craft messages for that there. So there you go. That is the AI DM coach using custom GPTs. And with that, that's all I got for you today. Link in the description down below if you want to just get access to it. Also, this is how we build cool tools like this. So if you want to learn how to do that, that's what we went over today. I will see you in the next one.